Hey everybody, Mr. Oglesby here. Today what we are going to be doing is going over organic compounds. Now this is again one of those things that you should have learned in pre-AP chemistry or in your other chemistry class, but you will need to know these for AP Chem, so let's go ahead and dive on into it. So first off, an organic compound is basically any compound that's made up of carbon, hydrogen, and then sometimes it'll have nitrogen, oxygen, or phosphorus in it. And we call those the CHNOPs. Okay, so in those, we've got our CHNOPs, the carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus. Those are the things that we're looking for to determine if something is an organic compound. Now, in AP chemistry, there's one set of organic compounds that we work with more often than others. And these organic compounds are going to be consisting of a carbon with an X number here, and then a hydrogen with 2 times that number plus 2. Okay, so it's 2 times the number of carbon plus 2. Now, these are going to be the ones that we consistently hear of. This is going to be like propane, methane, ethane, butane, those kind of things. Okay, so here would be our list of those organic compounds. So you've got methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane. These are the main ones that you need to know, okay? Now, for me, I have always remembered these first 4, methane, ethane, propane, and butane, by remembering men eat peanut butter, okay? So men eat peanut butter. And again, it's just a little saying that I heard forever ago, and it helps me remember the order of these organic compounds. So men would represent the methane, eat would represent the ethane, peanut would represent propane, and butane butter would represent butane. All right. Now, if you look at these, so methane is the first one, right? So methane has 1 carbon. So to find the number of hydrogen, it is twice the number of carbon, so 2 times 1, plus 2 more. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 more is 4. So that's where I got that 4 from. So 2N plus 2 for your number of hydrogen, okay? Now, men eat peanut butter. That helps me remember the order of those first 4. Why? Because the next 6... they use the prefix that we use with covalent compounds. So for here, with pentane, the prefix for 5, which is how many carbon I have, is penta, right? If we are talking about octane, the prefix for 8 is octa, okay? If we're talking about nonane, the prefix for 9 is nona. So when we're looking at the rest of these, we're basically just going to be looking at and seeing, okay, well, how many carbon do I have? And the prefix is going to tell me, unless it falls into these first 4. Okay, so penta would tell me I have 5 carbon. And then to figure out how many hydrogen I have, I would do twice that number plus 2. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll past these. And let's say that I had heptane. Heptane. Well, hepta, if you remember, its prefix is 7. Okay, so that would tell me I have 7 carbon. To figure out how many hydrogen I have, it would be twice this number. So 7 times 2 plus 2 more. So I have 14 here plus 2 more. So I should have 16. So my formula for heptane is C7H16. All right, y'all. So that was organic compounds. Let us know if y'all have any questions about this. Y'all have a great day.